Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to rotate Google Map. So let's get started the video. I start by opening Google Maps and simply find the area where you want to rotate the location. Once you are here, the first method is you can use this compass to rotate your map. Or you can also use your two fingers and slide it just like this. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.